We are at Mission Beach. We have some San Diego. We have the swan, and then we have the ducks, the duck. And then we have shark and other sharks. And other sharks. We're with our cousins right now. As you can see, there's Austin. That's a shark. With the kayak, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually set up our kayak, which is right there. So we're gonna set that up. It's an inflatable kayak.
Okay, so they're blowing up the kayak. Our first trip out.
Oh, jeez, look at Mom vlogging. Oh my gosh, you're such a
Hi guys.
Hey.
Did you put dental floss on this?
I did.
How's that gonna work?
Is that so I won't fly away?
It's my shark fin.
Dad, dental floss. Was it MacGyver?
Yes.
It's MacGyvered.
Maybe I can.
Don't rip the dental floss.
Is this actually a thing? Is this actually a thing?
I'm gonna need help.
Actually, that's lame. You should stay. Wait.
Okay, it's done. Yeah, so we're gonna take it out there. So we're heading to the bridge. So yeah, this inflatable kayak is amazing. Pretty lightweight, so every time we go to some place unattainable with those heavy kayaks they have to carry, we get our portable. Okay, we made it. We're under the bridge.
So Caitlin and Layla are paddle boarding right now. They're out there. So I just want to get video of it. There's Alvin. Way out there.
Where's Layla? Where's she going?